Bang nga magiging bisita naton ito niya na paghapon nga adlaw waray iba kundi rin naton super lolo din has syudad ito Katbalogan, di ba? Iya na amay ito na Oscar Head ito naton syudad he Sir Ben P. Malinaw. Sir Ben!
Hello!
Yeah! Welcome back po! Ganito naton program.
A long time.
Yes, and it's good to see you, Sir Ben.
Me too.
Oo, you're looking good, ha?
Yeah, thank you.
So, dahil sana all, mapapasana all kahit kung age, diba? Ayun na lang natin mention good pera. Basta, as president of OSCA or as president ng Senior Citizens, and as head ito ng Office of Senior Citizens Affairs, kailangan senior citizen ka, diba? Kailangan 60 years old ka na, o diba? So, sa kanila ito taong mayakatagayo. Pero, look at him, diba? Ito nga mapapasana all ka again, na dahil doon, so ganito ka-active lagi hapon, despite the fact na, you know, ano man good talaga ito dapat, Sir Ben, diba? Ito mga senior citizens. Is that good na dapat maging active ka lagi hapon, biskan, ada ka na yung 60s?
Yes, actually there's no such thing as a retirement. Para if you want to stay alive and kicking and healthy, walang retirement yan eh. Because you have to schedule, fill it up. Fill it up with anything. Kasi para bagay itong sinisiri nga, if you don't use it, you lose it.
Okay. If you don't use it,
You lose it. It's
okay.
the mind and the body.
So, imo-advise po ito nga dito mga senior citizens
Yes,
nato.
yes.
Kasi like for me, 'di ba? Parang yan ang palangani, gusto ko na mag-retire. 'Di ba? Pag gigugulan ka na imo daily routine, pero dahil nga ito advice.
I don't recommend. You might get the monetary retirement, but don't lose the activities.
Okay.
Ayaw.
It doesn't mean nga pag retire ka na is mawawarayan ka na talaga activities.
No, you have to go along. Continue pa rin. Continue lagi hapon kay pag mata mo aga, pag retire ka na, di waray ka na 8 o'clock.
Yes, waray ka na 8 o'clock. Diba? I mean, you stay, have bed for the rest of the day if you want.
No, get up at 7 and take your coffee.
Okay.
and buy 2 dogs.
Tapos walking.
Yes, because kung waray ka dog, di ka mapipiritan ka diri paglakat at daga. Kahit kulop.
Oo, kasi hindi mo responsibility, di ba?
Yes, they have.
Gumawas sila, igawas mo mo dogs,
they have
kasi
to
kailangan
walk.
mag-poops, di ba?
Kaya nga tanan,
And all.
So
you have to have responsibility, I understand.
yeah, ayaw nga waray ka, not exactly a responsibility nga paron to, pero it should be a regular routine nga imo bubuhaton no matter rain or shine. I'm not saying nga talaga kung naoran akong dogs cannot go out, but what I'm saying is ito every week di mo gud pwede diri lakatin 5 days at least. So para health and dog nga dadamuton benefits iton, even just to kung ano nira ugayon ang mga ayam, play with them. That's very very actually dogs are helpful in mental health.
Okay.
Because you don't have to talk back, you talk to them.
Yes, so they cannot answer you back.
No, but
or ano pa imedya ka na iya, di ba?
no, but my feelings are you can see it in their eyes.
So ito certainly mo secret.
So when Mayor Dexter appointed me, I was happy. Although I already have my routines, pero ini extra effort mo ani mo naman mga vision nga makabulig ka, especially yan usang marginalized sector and seniors. So when I was appointed, I was so happy nga. I'm not saying I know everything, but I have some experience nga pwede ko i-impart. Especially although natanang kita po, damo man retirees. There are some retirees na in-encourage ko, damo retirees nga they have so much talent. And yet, they stay at home. Not literally at home, but they don't want to participate.
Yes.
But right now, damo na ang nagpapakina akong, beni ginaan ng pagpresidentehan barangay. You know, the reasons are, most likely iton, yun at benefits are getting bigger. It used to be 500, now it's around 1,000.
Okay.
So that's 12,000
In a year.
a year.
Yeah.
So, tapos nag-expand na kita, dadamunan. So, it goes back to them, and even yung mga nadirihat interesado na yan. But I always tell them, you don't even have to look for that 1,000, especially the retired ng mga government.
Yes. Na may mga pensions,
Yeah.
diba?
Try to help. Help the seniors. Don't wait until you have monetary benefits. Kinang mag-participate ka.
Okay. Wala pa kami itong mga pakiana, ha?
Well,
That's why Sir Ben is one of the local personalities di National dito in Catbalogan. I really look forward to during interviews and, you know, discussions la, istorya la kami, di ba? Because damo talaga ito na mo napupuro tinigan, Sir Ben, di ba? Ang mga sugalito. So, sa rin ko mawalay pa mag 5 minutes sa namon introduction, but damo na ito natin nakuha nga information. Yan, wisdom, di ba? Ika kan Sir Ben Malinaw, iton current head, iton Oscar. First of all, Sir Ben, congratulations.
Thank you very much.
We are happy nga the mayor appointed you as the OSCA head,
Yeah.
Office of Senior Citizens Affairs head, iton syudad, iton Catbalogan. And we really look forward, Sir Ben, nga nahiton makalilisang, makalilisang nga mga programa, nga pagiging mas aktibo pa, iton mga senior citizens. Pero Sir Ben, before akong question sa iyo on the side of being the OSCA head, kasi may dala ko some personal questions, no, nga nafe-feel ito natin mga senior citizens. You know, I always interact with senior citizens kasi almost every day di kita kuya everywhere, mga meetings, diba? Ultimo paglakat na nila itong kalsada, I can see them, diba? Walking in the morning, tapos na may merkado pa itong mga senior citizens natin, nila pharmacies, magkikita mo yung groceries, everywhere, adan senior citizens. Pero kanina nasa rin ka, make your life more active, diba? During this time. But, on a level nga, kung nahiyaan, magahiyahin lighter as compared to hato nag-work ka nga grabe talaga challenge nimo, diba? Everyday mga deliverables, everyday yung mga tasks nimo, diba? Nga kinahanglan nimo sa mga senior citizen. Pero di ba pag senior ka na nga you feel like tapos na ang imo responsibility to the society, diba? Di ba may nakasi ako ng mga nababasa survey nga nasa nahira nga pag senior citizen na hira, they want to have more time for themselves. What can you say about that?
Yeah, it's thank you. Nalilipay lang ako may mga nag-interview ako maaraw ng pakyanan sa gaday mo. Anyway, it's a concept of entitlement. Ang ngatanan nga citizens ang mulupyo, they should not feel entitled. Kay sa Amerika nga ni nga senior ako, I'm entitled to this, entitled to that. It makes other sector entitled to. So, ang akong point, ayaw kita pag hulatan time nga mga senior ka kada mo di mo privilege. No. Let's continue.
They look forward ganito era SC card.
Yeah, I don't mind the discount of course,
Okay.
kay balaod talaga yan eh. Pero kaurugan ito aton mga di ganda mo, pero as ito ano man ang akon, they always ask for what is mine. Diri dapat what can I do to this?
Still?
Yeah, what can I do to the sector that you belong?
Okay.
Kay diri ka nga ni magpakiana mareklamo ka la kay once you feel entitled, you create some demands. Now, and demands is different from helping the sector channel their sentiments as maybe a few officers or like-minded representative to channel it to the proper forum like Sanggunian Panlalawigan, iton mga agencies. as a senior, you have to create those channels or those programs in order to be heard. Do not wait for the entitlement, because once nga nagyakan ako ng entitlement, it's actually more on dole out, which diri nga tanan almost karaman naka-percent talaga, and we need to take care of them. Yun mga saring panasalaylayan, itong poor of the poor, mga poor piece, tapos mga indigent nga pensioners. We need to help them, but majority of us are actually able-bodied pa, able-minded pa. Then let us channel these talents and create those demands in forms of programs that you could actually, it doesn't matter kung di rin ma-approve. Di rin matinanglan nga tanan ma-approve, but at least they know what you want. Now, kung pwede mo buto itong national level, especially now, may ada national commission na kita.
Okay, that's good, Sir Ben. Ano? Pero nakaka-feel ka ba nga the public has a high expectation of you as the OSCA head now? Nafe-feel mo po ba ito? That kind of pressure?
The mere fact that you mentioned it, it's actually, when I was involved at the seniors level on Tahan Municipality, a city, the first 2 years was actually exploratory. I was exploring.
As the president then?
Yeah, as the president of federation. I was exploring everything on how things are working. So, I found out that there's such thing as 1% and municipal ng barangay, ini mga program. Now, I feel, akong inyanyakan kanina nga dapat mag-create ka hinway of channeling all the needs ngadtohang proper authorities. Di rila entitlement. So, now, politically correct kay Masin ba ito nga, ini kaurugan ng pipinangaro, mo pa ito word nga entitlement is more kaya I don't want to offend anybody. So, by that time, our budget it's not a small amount. It's 1% of the city is almost 5 to 6 million IRA. So, and most of the programs that I was analyzing were on entitlement. And of course social, kay we need Christmas party,
social protection for senior citizens.
Tapos ang mga needs and in IDs and mga
administrative needs,
etc. So I was able to get some amount for akong actually pet project in and home. At that time, we called it Home for the Aged. Pero actually, it's Home for the Aged is very expensive. So we lower it down to home care. Nga usa lang balay nga may adakuan. Again, diri kaya an amount. So we lower it down to training na lahan caregivers. Which we know. Now, since silimpani mo, dako an expectation, damo na an akong mga saring panginhunahunaan channeling na. Channelingan, diri man po hindi an mismo ang opisina kay waray man kami official budget talaga ito OSCA. We are dependent to the city and the SWD. So yan na channeling net amo niya na programa. We are channeling all the amo ito nga if you don't mind nag-email ako ibo. So ito amo ito ng mga vision nito sa rin pa. And then actually it's more about mission kay ito akong vision is help the senior citizen. That's the only vision I want.
Okay.
So and it's more of a mission.
Okay.
So we are on the process of maybe for the 6 to 1 year, the process of incorporating all the things we need sector naman to channel it to the proper agencies, proper LGUs.
Okay. Sir Ben, based kan ipo mga programs na nag-extend ako. Basahon ko ha. First is the Super Lolo program on Senior Citizens Affairs. First is centralized digital database. Okay? So, diretso ko, before
Sige lang.
kita magpakiala
Sige.
iba.
Oh.
Second is ID monitoring. Third is Catbalogan DSWD Sustainable Livelihood Programs Strategy of Implementation. First is focus on clusters near Catbalogan for good monitoring. Second is identify 3 pilot cluster barangays for Canlapuas, San Andres, Magyay cluster, and then, hindi naman kita may ginsurungan, Buno-Anan, and Ibol cluster, and then Mercedes, Maulong, Payao, Pupwa cluster. Fourth is the basic medical senior services, like for example, BP, weight, identify weight, timbangin niya natin mga senior citizens, and then identify 3 pilot cluster barangays of Canlapuas, San Andres, Magdihay, Ginsurungan, Buno-Anan, Imol cluster, Mercedes, Maulong, Payao, Pupwa cluster, and then in poblasyon, no, that's barangay 10, 11, 12 cluster. And then you also have a program on Balikbayan retirees or seniors tourism program, di ba? And also sustainable livelihood programs for senior citizens, commission with implementing rules and regulations of Republic Act 11350 and the National Commission of Senior Citizens was established by the Office of the President in 2019 as a national coordinating body on aging to ensure the full implementation of laws, policies, government programs to protect older adults' welfare. So the Commission closely work with the Department of Health and with support from WHO, develop a draft of 2023 to 2028 Philippine Plan of Action for Senior Citizens through a consultative and participatory process. And the plan adopts a whole of government approach to create an age-friendly